guys, good morning. Welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing good and also kids are doing great. So today I'm going to drop Jaden. So today there's been a slight issue in my house. There's no water. It's very common in Bangalore, but it doesn't happen in my house where I stay. But not sure. Something I guess with the motor or something because it's automatic. So could have been something wrong with that. So yes, whatever the water we had, Jaden took bath, and his dad is waiting for the water to be filled. So it's gonna be late for him, his dad. So I decided that I'll drop Jaden. So I'm going to drop Jaden to school. Today is sports day. Yes, today is sports day. So usually on sports day he wears this white t-shirt and red shorts with a pair of white shoes. You guys can see such a cute ID card that they have. It's really nice. I mean, teaches the kids the importance and it makes them independent. And I would say that it's nice. They'll understand that why this has been taken and used and why they have to carry this. So it's like early knowledge that they are getting, which is very good. I would say it's very nice. And school from our house is like just 5 minutes if we are traveling in auto or bike. And if we take a walk, then yes, it's like 10 minutes because we have a shortcut. So I usually prefer taking shortcuts. So once I drop Jaden, I'll come back home by walk so that my walk also will be done. And maybe I'll see on the way. Yesterday we bought all the fruits and vegetables, milk and everything. So I don't think so I have to buy anything today. I'll just drop Jaden and then take a walk, come back home, and then I'll eat my breakfast. Today we prepared idli, chutney, and sambar. But for school, I give him only chutney and idli. That will be easy for him to eat. And I gave him watermelon. Watermelon is there in the tiffin box. And then I gave him dates bar. So yes, here we are near school. Yes? Say everybody good day. Say good day.
Good day.
Done with school and now we are going back home. You had fun in school? Yes, baby? What is it? No, that's it. Why you want to go that side? Where is house? Where is our house? No? Where do you want to go? Where you want to go? You want water?
Yes.
So I had actually bought a very good water bottle for him, and I really spent a lot of money for that because I wanted a water bottle where I can send him warm water as well. So whenever it's going to be a bad weather, it's good that he consumes warm water. So this guy, he got upset for something and he threw the bottle down in the house. And the main lid that we have, it broke. So now it is quite challenging for him to open that and drink water. So that's the reason why I'm not sending him that water bottle anymore. Why are you not letting grandma come?
No, on arrest.
Under arrest?
No, on arrest. Okay.
You are arrest? Why you are arrest?
You arrest me? I did.
Say auntie.
Auntie.
Ah,
Basically, under arrest.
Shrestha.
Look at that.
Nice.
He's gone.
Where you saw under arrest?
No, on arrest.
What is
No,
that?
on arrest. Go down. Go down. Hey, go down. Go down.
Jaden under arrest.
Under arrest. Go, go out. Under arrest. Go. Come, come, come.
Catch
Come,
him,
under
catch him. Catch him, grandma.
Under arrest.
Under arrest. You are under. Ah, yes. Good job. Good job. Hey, no doing that. What is wrong with you? Hey, what's wrong with you?
No, on arrest. No, on arrest.
Who you are telling?
No, on arrest.
Hey, what under arrest? Come here.
No, on arrest. No. No, on arrest.
Come on, remove your shoes. Wait, keep your shoes. Subscribe. I want to hear how you say once again. Close up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Say subscribe. Say subscribe.
Bye.
Okay, say subscribe. No, from mouth you say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Good baby. Bye.